I just finished watching a very disturbing video of His Excellency Sir Monday Okpebholo, the governor of Edo State, threatening the person of His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi. On what grounds will you threaten an ex-governor and a former presidential candidate in Nigeria? On what grounds? Is he not a citizen of Nigeria? How many Fulani headsmen terrorizing Edo State have you threatened? I would like you to watch the video so we can come back and discuss.
2027, 2.5 million votes is guaranteed for Edo. Yeah. The last election and this one is never the same. The man will say no gashishi. I am sending a direct message to him. There is a new sheriff in town. He cannot come to Edo without telling me. I am serious about it. He came the other day and donated 15 million. Somebody will say, no, Gashishi, why gave me 15 million to donate to people? By the time he left, there was crisis. 3 people died in Benin. So for that reason, tell Obi he should not come to Edo without telling me.
So, you have seen the video. Now, I want to ask, why will the governor of Edo State be threatening somebody like Peter Obi? That if he comes to your state again, you will not guarantee his safety. Whose safety have you ever guaranteed, Governor Okpebholo? Whose safety have you ever guaranteed since you assumed office in Edo State? Is it the safety of Fulani headsmen who ravage and fly people all over the place in your state? Whose safety have you ever guaranteed? And what gives you the impetus to talk to somebody in the caliber of Peter Obi, whose political shoes you cannot lace? Is it not the same governor that could not defend budget the other day? I was stammering before the house. Let's play the video for you to see the same governor stammering. Let's watch the video of him presenting budgets to his state house of assembly disgracefully. Let's watch the video of him.
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill of 605 billion 76 million 76. Let me take it again. 506 billion 605 billion, sorry. 776 billion. Sorry. It's confusing me. Okay. Sorry. 6.
Order in the house, please. Mr. Speaker must be ready silence, please.
$605 billion and details of the budget proposal for your consideration and approval. Thank you for your kind consideration.
So is this the same person? Is this the same person talking to Peter Obi anyhow? By the way, let me use this opportunity to wish His Excellency, the former governor of Anambra State, His Excellency Peter Obi, a very happy birthday. And to also warn the governor of Edo State that nothing must happen to Peter Obi. Nothing must happen to him. He is a Nigerian, he's a free citizen, he should visit anywhere he wants to visit. He visited your state and donated the sum of 15 million naira to people. Are you upset? Are you not a wizard? How will you be upset with somebody who came to your state to give aid to your people? What kind of governor are you? While I was in FCID Abuja, I spent time with 47 inmates from Awuchi who were bundled on their way to church after the chaos and the arson that happened in Awuchi there. Innocent people who were arrested on their way to church were kept in detention for more than 2 months. And you are all out here making mouth that you will not guarantee the safety of somebody who willingly comes to your state to give arms to people. You should be ashamed of yourself as a governor. And you should start from today to go viral for good reasons. As a governor, you have gone viral 2 times now for the very wrong reasons. And if I am from Edo State, I am ashamed of you. The people of Edo State, I'm very sure, will be very much ashamed to have a governor like you. Sit back, do an introspection, and advise yourself. You don't need anybody to give you this type of advice, Mr. Governor. Thank you, and do have a very wonderful day.